Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum viewers. I am Noreen Khanam. Hope all of you are fine with grace of Allah Almighty. Today's our topic is about scheme of work, which is also be called scheme of studies. And in our previous lesson we have discussed about the lesson planning, and this is also part of this topic. But deliberately I taught lesson planning first, so that you have to come to know various points which I want to convey to you, and it will be easy to understand the scheme of work today. Before starting of our today's lesson, I want to share a quote that a goal without a plan is just a wish, and it is also called that plan your work and work your plan. I want to discuss first of all curriculum. What is curriculum? निसाब क्या है? निसाब किसको कहते हैं? Plan, curriculum is a plan for action, or it is a written document that includes strategies for achieving desired goals and objective. ये एक ऐसा written document होता है जिसमें तमाम strategies involve होती हैं जो कि एक हमारे गोल्स और ऑब्जेक्टिव को अचीव करने के लिए फुलफ़िल करती हूँ। वो स्ट्रेटजीज़ जो फुलफ़िल करें गोल्स और ऑब्जेक्टिव्स को अचीव करने के लिए। करिकुलम या निसाब जिसे हम कहते हैं, उसमें दैट इंक्लूड कंटेंट, दैट इंक्लूड एक्टिविटीज़ एंड दैट आल्सो इंक्लूड एक्सपीरियंसेस, यानी इसमें तमाम चीज़ें इन्वॉल्व हैं। जस्ट लाइक ग्रामर रिलेटेड चीज़ें, अगर मैं इफ़ आई गिव यू एग्जांपल ऑफ द इंग्लिश, दैट इन करिकुलम देयर इज़ अ रिटन फॉर एनी क्लास, for example for class 5th there will be written grammar including part of speech. So part of speech मीन्स इसमें तमाम पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच इंक्लूड होंगे। उसमें पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच में एक्टिविटीज़ भी इंक्लूड करनी है, गेम्स भी इंक्लूड करनी है, एक्सपीरियंसेस भी, एवरीथिंग विल बी इंक्लूडेड। सो दिस इज़ कॉल्ड द करिकुलम। करिकुलम इज़ ड्राइव फ्रॉम द लैटिन वर्ड करी, मीन्स अ रेस कोर्स और अ रनवे। इसे रनवे का नाम दिया गया है, रेस कोर्स का नाम दिया गया है। और सिंपल वर्ड इट इज़ आल्सो कॉल्ड द कोर्स ऑफ स्टडी। Course of study is also called the curriculum. Syllabus. What is syllabus? Syllabus is derived from the curriculum. Syllabus ड्राइव किया जाता है, निकाला जाता है करिकुलम से। इट कंटेन्स अ लिस्ट ऑफ टॉपिक टू बी टॉट इन अ क्लास टू बी लर्न फॉर स्पेसिफिक पीरियड और टाइम, यानी इसमें तमाम वो टॉपिक्स इंक्लूड किए जाते हैं जो कि एक स्पेसिफिक पीरियड के लिए पढ़ाए जाएं। फॉर एग्जांपल फॉर ईयरली बेसिक, एक साल के लिए एक क्लास में क्या कुछ पढ़ाया जाएगा। आई हैव डिस्कस्ड एन एग्जांपल ऑफ करिकुलम पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच। तो सिलेबस जब हम ड्राइव करेंगे तो सिलेबस में बताया जाएगा पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच में कौन कौन सी पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच एक क्लास के लिए अप्रूव होंगी। फॉर एग्जांपल क्लास 1 के लिए नाउन पढ़ाया जाएगा, क्लास 2 में नाउन और वर्ब दोनों होंगे, क्लास 3 में एडजेक्टिव भी इंक्लूड कर दिया जाएगा। तो ये सिलेबस जो है वो करिकुलम से ड्राइव किया जाता है। नाउ थर्ड इज स्कीम ऑफ वर्क। Scheme of work, or it is also called the scheme of study, it is derived from the syllabus. ये syllabus से drive किया जाता है and it is broken down into pieces to be taken on weekly basis, monthly basis और termly basis, यानी इतने pieces में इसे छोटे छोटे pieces में ड्राइव कर दिया जाता है कि एक मंथ में कितना पढ़ाया जाएगा, एक वीक में कितना पढ़ाया जाएगा, एक मंथ में कितना पढ़ाया जाएगा, एक टर्म में कितना पढ़ाया जाएगा। ये वीकली बेसिस के तौर पर स्कीम ऑफ वर्क को लेके हम चलेंगे। देन लेसन प्लान। लेसन प्लान इज फर्दर ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ वर्क टू बी डन ऑन डेली बेसिस, यानी डेली बेसिस पे टीचर क्या कुछ पढ़ाएगी, दैट इज कॉल्ड द लेसन प्लान। सो फर्स्ट कम करिकुलम, देन सिलेबस, देन स्कीम ऑफ वर्क एंड देन लेसन प्लान। Curriculum is the vast term that includes all the content, all the activities, all the experiences, and it is a written document. Syllabus is derived from the curriculum and it is a list of topic to be taught for a specific period or a progress. And then scheme of work, it is derived from the syllabus and it is further breakdown into pieces that is taken on the weekly, monthly and termly basis. And lesson plan is further breakdown of scheme of work that is to be taught on daily basis. So now we are talking about the characteristic of the scheme of work, scheme of studies की क्या characteristic होनी चाहिए, क्या खसूसियात होनी चाहिए. It must address requirement laid down by government. जो गवर्नमेंट ने requirement बताई हैं उसके मुताबिक होना चाहिए. Second characteristic, it must be appropriate but challenging. इसे challenging भी होना चाहिए लेकिन बिल्कुल appropriate होना चाहिए. It must be relevant to the topic, relevant to the syllabus, relevant to the curriculum, और इसे बिल्कुल इसमें deviation नहीं होनी चाहिए. It should have built-in ट्रेनिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, इसमें टीचर्स की ट्रेनिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ के लिए भी स्पेसेस होनी चाहिए. सो दीज आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ द स्कीम ऑफ वर्क एंड स्कीम ऑफ स्टडीज़. Now I want to discuss how to write scheme of work or scheme of study. I have divided scheme of work into 7 columns, or you may add some more column according to the needs of the student. But according to the format which I have studied and learned from the UK, it is divided into 7 columns. First of all, aims and objective. In second column you will write down topic or lesson content. In third column you will write down strategies or method of teaching. In fourth column you will write down plan differentiation. In fifth column you will write down home assignment, and sixth column you will write down cross cutting themes, and in seventh column you will write down functional skills. So in first column, aims and objective, I am giving you 2 weeks scheme of work or scheme of study. In first week, in aim and objective you will write down all students will be able to understand sentence structure and its type. It is only an example I am giving to you. In first week of the term, the student our aim and objective is that all the student will be able to understand sentence structure and its type. And remember, it is English syllabus. It is derived from the English syllabus. In topic and lesson content, you will write down sentence structure, simple, compound, complex, and its examples. In third column, strategies and method of teaching, you will write down PowerPoint presentation of lesson, group discussion, feedback from groups, in pair students play activities, or any type of the strategies or method you are going to be teaching in your class, you can write down here. Plan differentiation, it will be written asking different question according to the level of the student. Pair work, role play, visual references for above average students. These are the plan differentiation. Home assignment, in home assignment you will write down worksheets, test, question answer, anything, individual presentation, anything you can write down. Cross cutting themes, in next column there is a two cross cutting themes we are using here is equality and diversity and health and safety. In final and last column you will write down functional skill, literacy and ICT we are using in this scheme of work. This scheme of work is planned for 1 week. For next week or for the next week of the term, there is another example I am giving to you. In first column, in aims and objective, you will write down all students will be able to identify and recognize tenses including present and past tense. Topic and lesson content, there is written introduction of tenses, present, past tense and example. Strategies and method of teaching, PowerPoint presentation, group discussion, pairing, plan differentiation, it is written asking different questions, paired work, role play, visual references. Home assignment, you will write down worksheet, test, individual presentation for individual student. cross-cutting themes, equality and diversity, health and safety, and in functional skills, literacy and ICT. In this template, you can make scheme of work and scheme of studies on termly basis. And most of the institute, for the most of the institute, the scheme of work and scheme of studies are planned through head offices. So this is all about our today's topic, scheme of work and scheme of study. In next lesson, we will inshallah study about the theories of learning. Always remember to subscribe my channel and share my channel to the teachers, and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much.